Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about how to study effectively. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. How to study effectively. There are many effective strategies for studying, and the best approach will depend on your learning style, the material you're studying, and your goals. Here are some general tips that can help. Set clear goals. Before you start studying, define what you want to achieve. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Create a study plan. Develop a schedule that allows you to study regularly but also leaves time for other activities. Be sure to build in breaks and time for rest and relaxation. Minimize distractions. Find a quiet, comfortable place to study and turn off your phone and other electronics to reduce distractions. Use active learning strategies. Don't just read the material. Actively engage with it. Take notes, summarize key points, and try to explain the concepts to yourself or others. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice applying the material, the better you understand it. Use practice questions, quizzes, and other tools to test your knowledge and reinforce your learning. Get enough sleep. Your brain needs rest to consolidate new information. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to ensure you're well rested and ready to learn. Stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated, such as setting rewards for achieving goals, working with a study partner, or using gamification techniques to make studying more fun. Remember, everyone learns differently, so don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies until you find what works best for you. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation in my tutorial video on how to study effectively. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.